I was gifted Wow Baking gluten-free, wheat-free cookies. They are so delicious. They come in a variety of sizes and flavors. They are all wheat-free and gluten-free, made by a team of bakers who follow the strictest quality guidelines. And I have strawberries and cream here. I have key lime white chocolate, and I have lemon burst. So, it's just amazing how generous this company has been to me, and I really appreciate it. So they're very easy to open, the containers. All you have to do is just pinch here, and then they just conveniently open. And oh my goodness, the softest, most, just so delicious. So cute, little bite-sized cookies, but very flavorful, very generous. So let me just break one open. So good. And the lemon is such a vibrant, flavorful type of lemon. And there's strawberry and cream, also key lime white chocolate, and this is what the cookies look like inside here. And they come in these handy containers, and also individually wrapped and larger sizes as well. So, wow. Wow is right. Wow is right. Yep, good name for them. Wow is right. So delicious, absolutely delicious. And they don't even taste like anything's different. They don't taste like wheat-free or gluten-free. Just delicious is what they taste like. So amazing. All types of varieties and flavors and sizes and packaging. So really happy with these.